Morning students, welcome back to our Sheba online class. I hope that you all are clear with your last lesson, because in this lesson we are going to see about atomic structure. Okay, in last lesson we saw about matter around us. In that lesson I told you all about what is atom, what is molecule, everything. In this lesson we are going to know about deeply. Okay, just take your page number 46. There is a one diagram in first page. Okay, that's only I am drawn here roughly. Just see, I told you what is matter. Matter is the space which occupies by some mass is called matter. Okay, see, some mass which occupying. Okay, more than one molecule is a mass. Okay, that is which occupying here, this is a matter. In that I am just taken some molecules and I am drawn here. See, more than one atom. See, they are combining together. More than one atom bonded means that is molecule. And in this I taken atom structure. Okay, atom I drawn here. There is some atomic nucleus inside it and electron around that. Okay, electrons are present here. So this is when some more molecules together, that is matter, and in that more than one atom bonded or combining together is a molecule, and in that atom which contains atomic nucleus and electron. These are the atom structure. In that I am drawn here the atomic nucleus. What is atomic nucleus? Some proton, neutron all together when it's formed means that is a atomic nucleus, which this will present in the center of the atom structure. Okay, and this, see, I also drawn a electron separately. Now in this atomic nucleus there is a proton and a neutron. Okay, there is a proton and a neutron. Okay, in proton there is some quark down and quark up. What is quark? Quark means combines to form a compost. That means when these are combining and formed a atomic nucleus. That is a quark, which the up and down, both the negative sign and positive sign, which formed together and form one nucleus structure. That is a quark. In quark, that is separated with strings. What is strings? Floating point unit. That means which some unit will form together and form a quark. In this will form both the positive and negative signs and form a atomic structure. That positive and negative sign is proton and neutron. Okay, now I will show you the images. See, this is the diagram which present in the page number 46. This is a color vision, that's why I am showing you. See, there is a matter, okay, which is combining form, and in that more than one atom formed this molecule, and there is a atom which separately they shown, and in center they given the atomic nucleus, and in our surrounding that is a electron. Okay, in atomic nucleus there is a neutron and proton. In neutron and proton there is a quark. Okay, quark up and down, that means negative and positive sign which is formed together, and in that there is a string. This only I told you. See, this is the structure of atom under the electron microscope. I already told you that we can't able to see the atom structure in a microscope. This is a electronic microscope. The atom structure will be like this only. Now I show you the atom structure. Now this is the electron which combining together. Can you able to see this? This is the electron which combining, that green light is the electron. Okay, I show you the atom structure previous slide. That is a normal microscope. After that scientists discovered a large technological microscope. In that this is the structure how the atoms are formed. Can you able to see? This is the atom which are forming with the element, and see there is a electron, that orange light circle is a electron, that all are forming. Now I show you the structure how the electron, the atom will be structure, that structure how we can able to see under microscope. There is no microscope, that will be very costly. Okay, in that scientists only have the, in normal lab also there is no that not having that microscope. That's why I show you the pictures. And now let's see how small is an atom. I already told you in the previous lesson, the atom is a very tiny particle, that also not even in the size of nano size. Okay, that is a tiny particle. Just take, we having a air. Okay, in that air itself, it is more tiny particle, that is 1 into 10 to the power of minus 9. What? 1 into 10 to the power of minus 9 meter small. Okay, then when comparing to the air, the atom is smaller than 1 into 10 to the power of minus 9. Okay, there are 3 authors or 3 scientists who defined an atom. Okay, first one is Dalton atomic theory. That means Dalton, who the scientist name is Dalton, he explained about the theory of atom, that is a Dalton atomic theory. And then second one, after Dalton, Thomas is coming here. Thomas theory, that means Thomas deeply he studied about atom and explaining about atom. And then third one is Rutherford. After two this scientist, next Rutherford is coming, that is Rutherford theory. Okay, these 3 scientists are saying about, they already studied what is atom, and then they are saying extra points. Okay, first Dalton, what he did, he just discovered what is atom. There is an atom. When I told you, when a space occupied by some masses, atom. Okay, in that what is atom, he only first discovered the atom, but he not said about deeply, or he not study about deeply. Just he said there is an atom which is tiny particle. It is more less than the 1 air. Okay, that is the Dalton theory. Okay, next Thomas, what he did, then he again went to the atom structure and he studied a lot, and he discovered that there is a charges in that. That means positive charge and negative charge. I told you that there is a neutron proton, negative sign, positive sign, which formed together and form an atomic nucleus. That only he told that there is a charge. He discovered newly there is a charge. One is positive charge and a negative charge electrons. He said that. After that, Rutherford came and he also further studied about that. What he said means, Dalton said that there is an atom, that is correct. Okay, but he said only atom. After that, Thomas said what he said, there is a positive and negative charge, that also he said that is correct. But Rutherford said there is a positive charge which present in center of the atom. Okay, he said just said about there is a charge surrounding atom, but he said the positive charge is present in center and negatively charged electrons are surrounding, like just example, just take a sun and earth is surrounding. Okay, it's just rotating, that's itself to coming rotate the sun. Okay, like that positive charge is there and the negatively charged electrons are coming around. In center there is some empty space, that only Rutherford explained. Okay, and also I will show you some pictures about how the for a pencil the atom will be, how it will shown, and for in dust particle the structure how we will see in the microscope. Now I am showing the structure of blood cells, that means RBC, red blood cells. That structure will be like this only in under microscope. Okay, see the pictures is clear. This is the structure how the red blood cells will be seen under the microscope. See, this is the flu. I am taken some virus structure under the microscope. This virus is flu. Normal we having cold means that structure is this only. In that cold we having some flu virus. That virus structure is this is only under the microscope. This is the dust particle which is the structure under the microscope, this is in the 40x. In the microscope there is a number of sizes we can able to zoom. Okay, in this structure is in the under microscope of 40x. Before slide I show you the dust particle under the 40x. This is the 100x. When we kept the dust under the microscope, the structure will be shown like this only. Now I show all the pictures under the microscope. The pictures will be shown like this only. The dust particle means they will take a little bit of dust and kept under the one thin glass slide will be there. There they will put the dust and they will kept under the microscope. Okay, that structure only I show now. Now shall we see the size of the red blood cells. I show you that red plate like structure, that is the red blood cells. That structure is 1 into 10 to the power of 4m. The size is 1 into 10 to the power of 4m. And also I shown you the flu virus. That virus is 1 into 10 to the power of 6m. The flu virus size is 1 into 10 to the power of 6m. These are the size of the atoms. Now I told you about there are 3 scientists discovered about the atom. Dalton find the atom in the year of 1808. Okay, 1808. In the year only Dalton found the atom. He told that this is atom, there is one atom, that only he told. Then in Thomas he came and he just told in the year of 1897. Okay, then he told that Dalton said that is a right, there is a atom, and also he told there is a charged positive and negative charged electron is presented inside. And then Rutherford came. In which year he came? He came 1977. In the year of 1977 he came. Dalton also correct, Thomas also correct. They said everything is correct, but the structure of the positive and negative electron is the positive will present in the center and there is a empty space between around the positive charge, and the negative charge will be around the this in circle only. It will float on this circle. This is the structures they explain about the atom. Okay, then we move to the subatomic particles. What is subatomic particle? Nothing. I told now this only. Okay, for this atom having, what all are atom having? Proton, neutron and electron. These 3 particles, these 3 items only the atom consists. Okay, what is proton? I already I explained everything. Just I am giving the brief explanation. Okay, what is proton? I told proton is a positive charged electron. Okay, proton means positive. Just think positive is P, proton also started with P. So PP. Okay, P is positive charged electron. That is a proton that will present in center of the atom. And then what is neutron? Neutron is inside the nucleus. The neutron will be present inside the atomic nucleus. Okay, it will present inside the atomic nucleus. The neutron does not have any charges. Neutron means what? Neutral. They will not having positive, negative, nothing. That is in center only. It is a neutral charge. Okay, then we move on to the electron. I told what is electron? Electron is around the that circle. Electron is negative charged particles. Okay, what is, I already told, negative charge, and it will be around the orbit. Earth will be around the orbit of a sun. Like that only electron will around the orbit of the atom. Okay, these are the mainly 3 points we have to know about the what is atom. Now we saw about the structure and how it will be present in that structure. That only we saw now. Now we are going to see deeply. Okay, we are going growing up, so we have to study more. So just see, now we are going in last lesson, I think so you have a formula and symbols of the oxygen, hydrogen, that scientific proved object. Okay, now we are going to see the number also. These all you have to be know. Okay, if you can't able to know means just take a periodic table. There will be a periodic table. What is periodic table? In that we all know 2 tables, 3 tables, like that only in science also there is a periodic table. Just everyone having phone, just take a periodic table and see. In that they will give you a chart and they will give all the formulas and the numbers of the elements. Okay, just go through it, just know the basic things, then you will know about the science. Okay, now see, there is a atomic number, mass number. These are the 2 numbers which contains the element. You see, oxygen, now here I am wrote an oxygen having here 8 and 16. Why they given 8 and 16? We don't know what is that. For that only I am giving the explanation. Atomic number, mass number. These are very, very important. Atomic number means the number of proton. What is proton? Positively charged electrons. That only I told. So we have to count when we having the atom and in center there is a proton. Okay, positive charge. There is many proton. Okay, we have to count. Then in that oxygen having, just count oxygen having 8. Okay, 8 protons. So only they written atomic number 8. Atomic number is below. Mass number is in above. These are the difference. Just remember it. Atomic is in below. Mass is in above. Number of proton is 8 in the oxygen. So the atomic number of the oxygen is 8. Now see what is mass number. Mass number is total number of proton and neutron. What I told, what is neutron? There is a neutral charge, not a positive, not a negative. There is a neutral charge. We have to count it. Number of protons plus number of neutrons. In oxygen there is number of proton is 8. We already know, now only I said. And also we have to count how many neutrons, electrons are there. Then when you count in oxygen there is a 8 neutron. Okay, there is a 8. So 8 plus 8, 16. Okay, so that only mass number is 16. Mass is will roll in upward. Okay, so total number of proton and neutron is 16. These are the basic form to know the structure of atomic and mass number. And again one thing, for atomic number they will denote it. If in maths they will wrote up, when there is no, they given a number means in question answer find the x value, y value they will given. Because there is no number, we have to find. Like that, when we want to find the atomic number means there is one symbol, that is Z. We have to use Z for a atomic number. Okay. For example, see, in page number 52, they given the hydrogen, helium and oxygen. How we will calculate the electrons? Just see, they given a proton 1 and electron 1. Basic is oxygen, hydrogen and some nitrogen, like that one. That is a basic. Then you will study more about in your next year or further coming year classes. Okay, for basic you have to know oxygen and hydrogen. Hydrogen is the first element. It is having only 1. Atomic number also 1 and mass number also 1. Okay, in oxygen atomic number is 8 and mass number is 16. Okay, in hydrogen they given 1 electron and 1 proton. Now you have to write the number. How you will write? Hydrogen is equal to how many numbers of proton is there? 1. So you have to write 1. And I told you, and another thing, in atomic number we have to write in left hand side. Okay, the number should be right below and but in left hand side. For the mass number we have to write right hand side in the above. Okay, this is the basic, you have to remember this. Okay, how many numbers of proton is there? 1. So 1 proton, that is a 1 atomic number. And how many proton and neutron? There is a 1 proton and also 1 neutron. Okay, they given in the structure 1 neutron. Neutron and proton will be combined together. See, there is a proton and neutron and some space around this, and in orbit there is a negative charged electrons. Okay, this is the Rutherford theory. That's only we have to see. Okay, this is a 1. So mass number is 1. Hydrogen is 1 and 1. This is the basic form. In oxygen also same. Just see the structure, you will know the structure. Then what is valency? What is valency? Valency means combining properties of an atom. That means atom properties, atomoda properties are combine பண்றது, combining properties of an atom, that is valency. Okay, then how we will found the valency? In water, already I told from the first class itself, water is H2O. H2O means hydrogen and oxygen. 2 hydrogen forms and 1 oxygen. When 3 are combining, that is form and water. What I told, combining properties of atom. That means one oxygen is 1 atom molecule. That means molecule, in molecule atom is there. So oxygen and 2 hydrogen. When 3 combining together forms a water. That is a valency. And that is the lesson which they given. First you have to know what is atom and how it will be separate, and what all are we seeing. There is a 3 scientists, they given the theory, that is Dalton, Thomas, Rutherford. Okay, these are the basic which I told how they separate and explain about it. Dalton is explained simply atom, and Thomas explained the charges, and Rutherford explained the position of the charger. This is all the basic things, just remember it. And I also told what is atomic number, mass number, and when combining the properties of atom is valency. This is the basic of atomic structure. Okay, just I want you to show the structure of how it will be shown under the microscope. That's only I shown you. Just see it and just recall the lesson. Take your book and just recall the lesson, then only you will get a clear version. Okay students, thank you.